Animal Farm by George Orwell is a political allegory that tells the story of a group of farm animals who overthrow their human owner and establish a government of their own. The novel is a commentary on the Russian Revolution and the rise of Stalinism, and it explores the dangers of totalitarianism and the corruption of power. The novel begins with the animals on Manor Farm, who are mistreated and exploited by their human owner, Mr. Jones. Inspired by the idealistic pig Old Major, the animals rebel and drive Jones off the farm. They establish a new government based on the principles of animalism, which emphasize equality and freedom. At first, the new government is successful, and the animals work together to build a better society. However, over time, the pigs begin to consolidate power and establish a dictatorship. The pig Napoleon, who represents Stalin, becomes the de facto leader of the farm, and he uses propaganda, violence, and intimidation to maintain his power. As the novel progresses, the pigs become increasingly corrupt and oppressive, and they betray the principles of animalism. The other animals, who are too afraid or too brainwashed to resist, are ultimately powerless to stop the pigs from becoming indistinguishable from the humans they once overthrew. The novel is notable for its use of allegory and symbolism. Each of the animals represents a different segment of Russian society, and the events of the novel mirror the events of the Russian Revolution and the subsequent rise of Stalinism. The novel is also a commentary on the nature of power and corruption, and it suggests that any government, no matter how well-intentioned, is susceptible to abuse and tyranny. One of the most interesting aspects of the novel is its treatment of language and propaganda. The pigs use language to manipulate and control the other animals, and they use propaganda to justify their actions and maintain their power. The novel suggests that language and propaganda are powerful tools of manipulation, and that they can be used to distort reality and control public opinion. Another notable aspect of the novel is its exploration of the psychology of power. The pigs become corrupted by their own power, and they become increasingly ruthless and authoritarian. The novel suggests that power has a corrupting influence, and that those who seek power are often the least fit to wield it. The novel's ending is particularly bleak, as the pigs become indistinguishable from the humans they once overthrew. The novel suggests that any revolution, no matter how well-intentioned, is ultimately doomed to fail if the people in power become corrupt and tyrannical. In conclusion, Animal Farm is a political allegory that explores the dangers of totalitarianism and the corruption of power. Orwell's use of allegory and symbolism, his treatment of language and propaganda, and his exploration of the psychology of power make the novel a powerful commentary on the nature of government and human nature. The novel remains relevant today, and it continues to inspire new generations of readers to question authority and resist tyranny.
We hope you are enjoying the content on the library channel. Our team is dedicated to bringing you the best book summary, recommendations, and literary discussions on YouTube. If you are finding our content helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or suggestions, and subscribe to our channel. This will help us grow and continue to provide you with more great content in the future. Thank you for your support and happy reading.